Hey there, lovely folks! Welcome to today's video. I'm thrilled to have you here. In this session, we're diving into some nifty Mobile Legends settings that only the pros like MOBA Zane or Curly swear by. So, let's not waste a moment and get right into it. First things first, let's kick off with the control settings. So, open up Mobile Legends, head straight to Settings, and tap on the Controls tab. From there, hit Select Targeting. Now, scroll down a tad and opt for Lowest HP percent for targeting priority. This little tweak ensures your hero focuses on enemies with dwindling health, making it a breeze to take them down. Now, let's tackle the interface settings. Switch over to the Interface tab. Tap on the Customize button. Next, customize the game interface to your Hertz content. You can adjust the size and placement of buttons and joystick using the slider. Need a clearer view? Lower the transparency for better visibility. Here's a cool trick. Personalize these changes for a specific hero. Just hit the Applied Heroes button, select your hero, and hit Use. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, hit Save, and voila! Your settings are locked in. To round things off, let's delve into the network settings. Head over to the Network tab. Now, click on Speed Mode and Network Boost. Enabling these two options works wonders in smoothing out your gameplay experience, ensuring a stable connection. Say goodbye to pesky high pings and sudden disconnects. And that's a wrap. Hopefully, tweaking the settings injects some extra fun and thrill into your gaming adventures, giving your gameplay a boost. Questions or suggestions? Drop them below, and I'll get back to you pronto. Thanks a ton for joining us. And until next time, happy gaming!